Alright, today we're running a little experiment. I'm going to create an AI version of myself and test how realistic it really is. Will I be able to fool anybody?
Well, I guess I kind of already did, because that was an AI avatar I created under 10 minutes using HeyGen.
No, I'm not an avatar.
How come you're now on the top of a mountain? Oh yes, you are my digital clone.
Okay, fine, doesn't matter. I'm just your superior digital clown.
Perhaps with a little bit of an attitude too. Alright, let's cut this nonsense and mute my avatar for now. Anyways, as I was saying, I use HeyGen and the results generally impress me. That said, creating a convincing avatar took a little bit more work than what I expected. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what HeyGen can do, but I'll get my avatar to speak so you get an idea of what it can do and I can get a coffee.
HeyGen is an AI-powered video platform that lets you turn text into videos with realistic presenters. Besides cloning yourself, it comes with some interesting features, like you can translate your video into other languages in seconds, generate videos from just text input, or even use AI video generation to create B-roll for your videos.
Okay, the real me is taking back now on, because this is getting a little bit too sci-fi. I just want to add that HeyGen is not the cheapest solution, especially if you start using all these AI intensively. Okay, I have my well-deserved coffee, so I'm ready to take you into HeyGen's backend and give you a proper tool. Even if it looks a little bit intimidating at first, I have to say it's fairly easy to use. I want to focus on the AI avatars, which is HeyGen's top feature. Go to avatars, and as you can see here, I've created a few ones, and here you would have the option to use one of the avatars you create or use one of the public ones. So basically you could select one of them and create videos from it. They come with several looks and then also several voices you can pick from.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
And he speaks French too.
Voici comment je sonne. J'espère que cela vous plaît.
What is he saying? No idea. But what's really cool is to create your own avatar. And for that, you would go into create avatar, and then you could choose between creating a real person, that's what I'll be doing today, or you can create a virtual character. You can get that avatar inspired in one of your pictures or design it with AI. I'm not gonna go into it, but you could describe how you want that character to be and then have the avatar mimic it. As you can see, there are different styles you could use. But let's now go into cloning a real person. For that, you're giving a few options. You can record a video with a webcam, you could record it with a phone, or what I think would give the best results would be to upload real footage of you. The reason not to do with the webcam, it's really difficult to read the text and then also look at the camera at the same time, whilst if you record real footage, you could use something like a teleprompter. I'm gonna upload the video and HeyGen will take this video as my base for the avatar. As you can see, it says here identity protected. HeyGen wants to make sure that you have the rights to use that person. Once I have my avatar created, I can have different looks. I can have one avatar that's more for like a presenting role and another for social media posts. So I would come into avatars and I want to add a new look. And what I can do is design it with AI or upload a look. I will do it with AI. And let's say I want it in vertical and say Giuseppe as a plane pilot with pilot headphones on. We generate the look and HeyGen will work for a couple of minutes and give us 3 variants of this look we've asked for. There you go, you have me here as a pilot, and to be fair, it's pretty convincing. But what I could also do is use one of the HeyGen looks available here. Okay, so let me show you one of the videos I created earlier and let's see how the avatar and scene creation works. As you can see, these are the avatars I've been using in this video. And to create a new scene, I would just come into the plus, then I have a blank canvas and I add the text I want the avatar to say. Then we can listen at the voice preview. I am Joseph's avatar and I am better than he is. And as you can see, the voice is not quite there. It is true that I can tweak several things. I could come into the voice editor and change the accent I have. I could also change the voice engine I use, and also the speed at which I talk, maybe it's a little bit too fast, and then the volume. But I don't like it. It sounds too AI and yeah, it's just not usable in my opinion. But thankfully, HeyGen has an alternative. We add the same text, and instead of letting HeyGen generate the voice, we just gonna record it ourselves with this option mirror voice. HeyGen will pop up this little interface and we just have to record the sentence. I am Giuseppe's avatar and I am better than he is. We apply it and HeyGen will take a couple of seconds to process it. Let's listen to it.
I am Giuseppe's avatar and I am better than he is.
Okay, in my opinion, this is much better, there's more emotion, it's less flat, and overall, it feels less like an AI voice. There's also several options for the avatar. You could just remove the background, or you could give it a color, you could go back to the original, or customize it with one of the backgrounds they have available. That looks horrible, and that looks horrible too. So I think we're just gonna stick with the original background. You can also make it a circle, zoom in or out, and decide on the border radius. But for this video, I will use the original one. Then with HeyGen, you can add elements to the video like you would do with any other editor. You could add logos, shapes, and so on. All in all, I think HeyGen editor features aren't as rounded as other editors like Descript or Camtasia. One thing you'll notice is that for every scene you have to render, there's gonna be a little icon here telling you how many credits these will take. I understand that they have to charge for this for each scene, but AI credits can go fast. Once we are happy with the video, we just go and generate it. We adjust the settings. 4K is only available in the second most expensive plan. We submit it, and we now have to wait a couple of minutes until HeyGen generates the whole video. Alright, the video is finally finished. I have to say it's taken 15 to 20 minutes to render, so it's quite slow, but here's the end result.
Alright, today we're running a little experiment. I'm going to create an AI version of myself and test how realistic it really is. HeyGen is an AI-powered video platform that lets you turn text into videos with realistic presenters, including
I have to say, everything looks pretty real, but the mouth is really weird. Just check out.
sounds of yourself as we've just seen. Besides cloning yourself, it comes with some interesting features, like you can translate your video into other languages in seconds.
HeyGen has a free plan, which is great to test the waters, but in reality you'll hit the AI credit limits pretty quickly, and convincing avatars will need you to pay for our plan. The creator plan at $24 a month lets you export videos without a watermark and in a quality of 1080p, and most importantly gives you access to the best AI models. The Pro plan is $79 a month and it basically gives you more premium usage of credit and allows you to export at 4K. And finally, the business plan, which is not cheap as you can see, lets you create longer videos up to 60 minutes and comes with an AI screen recorder. By the way, I have this AI toolkit we prepared at Tool Tester where I recommend 26 AI tools so you can work less and get more done. Link in the description, it's totally free. Here's what I think about HeyGen. It's truly an innovative tool and the results can be really convincing if you put a bit of effort. However, to get the best results when cloning yourself, you'll need to pay for a premium plan. We are done today, subscribe if you like the video and see you next time.